I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices. Plug the external monitor into power and select its input. Next, choose the matching cable for your laptop port, HDMI, DisplayPort, or USB-C, then connect it firmly. Once connected, power the laptop and monitor. You should see a signal or the laptop will detect an external display. If nothing appears immediately, toggle the monitor input and make sure cables are seated. This gets you into the first actionable state for enabling a second screen. Once the monitor is connected, open your operating system's display settings. On Windows, go to Display Settings. On macOS, open Displays in System Settings. Choose Extend Desktop to make two independent screens, then drag the monitor icons to match physical placement so the mouse moves naturally. Set resolution and refresh rate for each screen to preferred values and designate a primary display if needed. Make sure scaling is readable. Once set, applications and windows will move between screens smoothly. Finalize by optimizing scaling and color, and choose which screen is primary for toolbars and notifications. Reposition physical monitors and adjust display arrangement so cursor travel feels natural. If an app opens on the wrong screen, drag it and close to remember location. Use built-in workspace layouts if you have them. If the second screen fails, update graphics drivers, test a different cable or input, and restart both devices. This single troubleshooting step fixes most connectivity or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.